Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we break down complex financial topics in ways that make them not just understandable, but exciting. What if I told you the future of software development could be powered by something you might not even have imagined? Artificial intelligence. We're diving into the deep waters of how you can monetize AI-generated code and software. And trust me, it's not just for tech giants anymore. Whether you're a coder, a creator, or someone looking to profit from the AI revolution, today's video is packed with the strategies and tools you need to make it happen. In today's world where everything from music creation to website development can be automated by AI, opportunities are practically limitless. If you've been on the fence about diving into this field, it's time to see just how profitable this frontier can be. Now the question is, how do you take advantage of this goldmine? Let's start by discussing the landscape of AI tools that can help you get there. And we're not talking about basic tools. No, we're talking about cutting-edge, powerful platforms that make it all possible. From music production to full software development, these tools are making waves, and you can cash in. Let's start with AI music production, which is one of the most exciting areas in AI-driven monetization. There are platforms like Suno and Udio that have completely revolutionized music creation. These platforms allow users to generate original music tracks without needing a background in music theory. And they're not just for hobbyists. Companies are leveraging these platforms to churn out royalty-free music for everything from ads to films. Here's a hypothetical. Imagine you're Sarah, an entrepreneur who started using Suno to create unique soundtracks for YouTube videos. By licensing these tracks, Sarah builds a sustainable income stream, selling royalty-free music. As AI tools get smarter and more sophisticated, her ability to scale grows exponentially. What started as a small side hustle becomes a full-fledged business. Udio, with its AI-driven remix capabilities, offers a similar opportunity. Artists can remix popular tracks or generate completely new pieces, opening doors to licensing deals, branded partnerships, and more. But the opportunities don't stop there. When it comes to software development, AI-generated code is pushing boundaries like never before. Companies like GitHub Copilot and OpenAI Codex are helping developers write better, faster, and more efficient code. These tools use machine learning to suggest entire code snippets or functions, drastically reducing development time. If you're a developer, you can leverage these AI tools to take on more clients, deliver faster, and even create proprietary software that could be sold or licensed. Think about it. Liam is a freelance web developer who uses GitHub Copilot to speed up his coding process. Instead of spending hours debugging or writing boilerplate code, Liam delivers more projects in less time. Not only is he making more money by taking on additional work, but the quality of his code is also improving, thanks to the smart suggestions from Copilot. Now, there's an additional way to monetize AI-generated software that's gaining traction: building and selling AI-driven SaaS products. Think about creating software as a service that uses AI algorithms to solve real-world problems. It could be anything from a tool that helps small businesses optimize their operations to a platform that automates content creation. With AI infrastructure platforms like Google Cloud AI, Microsoft Azure, and Amazon Web Services, you don't need to have extensive infrastructure knowledge to get started. For example, Noah, a software developer, created an AI-based tool that helps e-commerce businesses optimize their pricing strategies. After launching the SaaS platform, he started offering it as a subscription service. His monthly revenue has grown steadily as more businesses sign on to use the tool, and the best part? The AI keeps improving, making it even more valuable over time. So how can you make money from AI-generated code and software? It all boils down to 3 key strategies. 1. AI product development. Create AI-powered software tools or platforms that offer real value to users. Think automation, optimization, or personalization. These are the areas where AI thrives. 2. Licensing and reselling AI content. Whether it's music, art, or code, platforms like Suno and Udio make it easy to create and license content. This is an especially powerful way to build passive income streams that continue to generate revenue long after you've created the content. 3. Freelancing with AI tools. If you're a developer or content creator, AI tools can help you get more done in less time. This means more clients, more projects, and more revenue. The faster you can deliver quality work, the more valuable you become in the marketplace. But wait, don't go just yet. Here's something you need to know. Monetizing AI tools isn't without its risks. First, there's the potential issue of intellectual property. If you're creating software or content with AI, you need to make sure you own the rights to it. Make sure to read the fine print on the platforms you're using. Sometimes the AI-generated content may still be under certain usage restrictions. Another challenge? Market saturation. The more people who catch on to AI monetization, the more competition you'll face. But remember, being an early adopter still gives you a major advantage. As AI evolves, so too do the opportunities. Now that we've covered the basics of monetizing AI, let's look at how you can take your journey to the next level. You can start small by using AI tools to augment your existing skills, but don't be afraid to think big. Look for scalable opportunities, ways to create products or services that can grow exponentially. This isn't just about jumping on the AI bandwagon, it's about leveraging it to build something that lasts. Whether you're looking to launch a SaaS platform, license AI-generated content, or build your personal brand, there's never been a better time to take advantage of AI's capabilities. If this deep dive into monetizing AI has sparked your entrepreneurial spirit, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments how you plan to tap into the world of AI. Which of these strategies do you think will work best for you? Drop your thoughts below. I'm here to help. And if you're ready to take your finances to the next level, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Trust me, this journey is just getting started. Click the video on screen now. And a quick reminder, this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Now get ready to take full advantage of the AI revolution and build a future you can be proud of. I'll see you in the next one.